Individual Immigration, Visas 1, Student Visa. This visa is intended for individuals who have received an offer to study at a UK educational institution. There are two types: General Student Visa for higher education students, Child Student Visa for children attending an independent school. Key requirements: Confirmation of Acceptance for Studies, CAS. You must have a valid offer from a licensed UK educational institution. Financial requirement: you must show proof of sufficient funds to support yourself and any dependents in the UK. Extension: the visa is valid for the duration of your course, plus a short period afterward. Extensions are possible for new courses, but this visa does not lead directly to indefinite leave to remain, ILR. Family Visasa. Partner spouse. Visa for partners of UK citizens, permanent residents, or individuals with refugee status. Eligibility categories: married or civil partners, unmarried partners, including same-sex, fiancé or proposed civil partner. Basic requirements: the relationship must be genuine, must meet financial and accommodation standards, must meet minimum English language proficiency. Extension: fiancé visa. Valid for 6 months, can switch to a partner visa upon marriage, civil partnership. Partner visa. Initially valid for 30 months, renewable once. After 5 years of continuous stay, you may apply for indefinite leave to remain, ILR. B. Parent visa. You may apply to live in the UK to care for your child, who must either be under 18 on the application date and not living independently, or have been under 18 when you were first granted leave. Eligibility: child must be living in the UK and be either a British, Irish citizen, settled in the UK, have pre-settled status, EU, Swiss, EEA nationals, or have lived in the UK for 7+ years, if applying from within the UK extension. You may apply for ILR after 5 continuous years on a family visa as a parent. C. Child visa allows children to join a parent living in the UK. Key points: may apply as a dependent on the parent's visa or separately. You'll receive the same visa length status as your parent. If your parent holds ILR or permanent residence, a family visa might not be necessary. If applicable, you may also apply under the EU settlement scheme or private life route extension. Unlimited stay is granted if the sponsoring parent is British, Irish, or settled. Otherwise, the visa can be extended and may lead to ILR.D, Adult Dependent Visa, for adult relatives who require long-term care. Eligibility: must be 18+ and need ongoing care due to illness, disability, or age. Care must not be available or affordable in your home country. A sponsor in the UK must be able to support you without public funds extension. Stay is indefinite if the sponsor is British, Irish, or settled. If the sponsor has refugee status, your stay will align with theirs and must be extended accordingly. Business visa, startup visa, perfect for new entrepreneurs. Must be endorsed by a UK university or business. The idea must be innovative and scalable. Need £945 in personal savings for 90 days. Valid for 2 years. No extension, but can switch to Innovator Visa. 2. Innovator Visa. Ideal for experienced entrepreneurs. Endorsed by an approved body. Need £50,000 investment unless switching. Business must be viable and new 3-year visa. Extendable. ILR possible after 3 years. 3. Representative of an overseas business. For senior employees sent to the UK, must not own the majority shares, must meet English and financial requirements. 3 years, extendable by 2. ILR after 5 years. 4. UK expansion worker. Visa. For overseas staff setting up a UK branch, must already work for the company abroad. Must be a senior manager or specialist, requires certificate of sponsorship extendable by 12 months. No ILR, but switchable. Visitor Visas 1. Business Visitor Visa. for short-term business-related visits. Requirements. Applicant must be 18 plus, intend to stay no longer than 6 months, 12 months for academic visitors. Must have sufficient funds and intend to leave the UK after the visit. No intention to work, study or provide services. Extension, not extendable beyond the allowed period, except for specific cases, e.g. P-lab test for doctors.